And check it out, $3,950 in profit just in the last 72 hours.
This week I've made $7,090.
Overall, in just 10 days, I made $13,400.
Can you believe it? I used to make that much in a month.
I'm still in total shock, really.
I finally found a system that works.
Thank you, Cloud Trader.
No matter who you are or how you found this page, I'm about to give you free access to the most powerful auto trading software in the world. Yes, I said auto trading. A software that has proven time and time again to make at least $1,250 for over 840 people around the globe in profits every single day. But first, I want to be completely honest and transparent with you. I have nothing to sell you here. However, I am looking for long-term partnerships. When my partners make money, then and only then, I do too. It's a total win-win partnership. In just a few moments, I will explain exactly why and how all of this is possible. And I'll also explain why and how you are about to start making $1,250 per day with less than 4 minutes setup time at the end of this short video. Even if you've never made a single cent trading online before today, and even if you have zero previous experience. As you're about to see, Cloud Trader allows everyday folks like you to start making life-changing income by this time tomorrow. And it gets better. Because for now, I want you to put away your credit card. You're not going to need it to pull in profits like this. Hi, my name is Matthew Shepard. I'm the CEO of Cloud Trader. I started Cloud Trader back in 2012 with a mission to crack the code of making money with binary options. I tried everything, every single auto trading or signal trading system out there. I tried lots of strategies and tactics of binary option trading, but I never had real success. So over the last 3.5 years, I've gathered the best Wall Street market analysts and the best programmers in the world in order to create the most powerful auto trading app in the world. An auto trading app that since its live debut in December 2012 has never lost a single trade. You see, after thousands of man hours and a huge personal investment, myself and the team finally cracked the code. We created an auto trading bot that is, well, quite simply unable to lose a single trade. In fact, it is mathematically impossible for Cloud Trader to lose a single trade. And the secret is in the name. The secret to why Cloud Trader works when all the other so-called trading software crash and burn, a secret that I will reveal in just a few seconds. Right this very moment, we have 843 members. And all of them are making at least $1,250 in pure profits every single day. And if you enroll in under 87 seconds at the end of this short video, that's $1,250 in your checking account by tomorrow morning, guaranteed. Then $1,250 every day for life, pouring into your checking account. It doesn't get any better than this. Cloud Trader changes lives. But listen to what some of our beta testers had to say about Cloud Trader.
I've been down the road of trying different software many, many times. It's my job to blog about these systems and protect my readers from all the myriad of useless ones out there. And God knows there are so many, but, and there is a but, I'm glad to see that Cloud Trader actually works. And it's been making me an impressive return on investment. Highly recommended.
I was never really successful at any of the online methods of making money I ever tried. Things like Forex or binary option trading. That's probably the reason why I love Cloud Trader so much. You see, all of my unsuccessful experiences made me realize that I should only bank on something I'm 100% sure will actually work. After seeing so many of my friends using Cloud Trader and profit like crazy, I felt pretty good about giving it a go. It was a real no-brainer, honestly, since it's all on autopilot. The best part is, it hasn't failed me yet. Every week I'm withdrawing over $9,000 to my savings account. It really is an amazing piece of software.
Now let me recap with a real example. Yesterday we took on 11 new beta tester members. And if you look at this, all 11 of them have already been paid $1,250 into their checking account today, since joining only yesterday. In other words, everyone without exception who comes on board with Cloud Trader will make $1,250 per day. It's already happening, and if you take just 87 seconds to enroll at the end of this short video, it will start happening for you starting now. So, if you are serious about making easy money with a one-click to run auto trader, pay really close attention to the end of this video. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to give you full access to the exact same Cloud Trader software that we have been making millions with over the last 3.5 years. It's important that you understand this software is 100% guaranteed to make you money. no matter where you come from, no matter what your background, no matter what your age. Yesterday, Dave Blake joined us from Idaho. He's a bus driver, aged 57. Today, he has already been paid $1,250. Mary Turner joined us from Arkansas. She's a single mom with a weekend job at Walmart. Today, she has already been paid $1,250. Joshua Ross is a bank worker from San Diego. Today, he has already been paid $1,250. Matthias Gruber is a hotel concierge from Frankfurt. He has already been paid $1,250. Bruce Levick from London works as a part-time social worker. Today, he has already been paid $1,250. Ronald Smith from Holland works in a bar. Today, he has already been paid $1,250. The list goes on, and these everyday people are all receiving $1,250 every day into their checking accounts every day. So even if you have no technical skills whatsoever, even if you have zero trading experience, you can enroll in under 87 seconds at the end of this short video and activate your CloudTrader account within 1 minute of that. Bottom line, within 3 minutes of the end of this video, you can be done. Ready to wake up to your first $1,250 in your checking account tomorrow morning, before the coffee even finishes brewing. Introducing CloudTrader, the world's most powerful trading software that has never and will never lose a single trade, with over 840 successful traders, many with zero previous experience. CloudTrader was 3.5 years in the making. 3.5 years of my blood, sweat, and tears, and I finally made it. The software has consistently been updated and upgraded by our team of highly skilled programmers and best binary market analysts in Wall Street. Now, the best part is, as can be seen with our database and members' reports, the average user makes at least $1,250 in profits every day. Now, the big question is, what exactly is the CloudTrader software and how does it work? And in case you're wondering why it is the world's first 100% strike rate trading software, it's because of the investment and planning that went into it, as you're about to see. Like any other great trading software, CloudTrader is integrated with the very large financial databases throughout the world, and of course, is linked to every single trading market on the planet. What makes CloudTrader different is this. CloudTrader has the ability to recognize trading patterns 7 millionths of a second faster than its nearest rival. To the human brain, this is incomprehensible, but to the supercomputers that manage CloudTrader is an incredible amount of time in the trading markets. That's right, 7 millionths of a second in the binary trading markets is a huge amount of time, a speed that no other trading software on earth can match. Enough time to make the difference between winning and losing. And the key to how myself and the team achieved this is something quite simply called cloud hosting. Cloud hosting is a service that allows any business to capitalize on computer servers scattered around the world. Normally, it's used by big corporations like Facebook, Amazon, and Google. It allows data, normally in the form of websites, to be displayed in a fraction of a second faster than websites that are not on cloud hosting. Websites in the cloud are more cost-effective and, more importantly, load a fraction of a second faster than websites that are not on cloud hosting. This, put simply, is why you're about to receive $1,250 tomorrow in your checking account, and why John Doe, using our nearest competitor's trading software, is going to lose, lose, lose. You see, when I first started developing CloudTrader, it wasn't even called CloudTrader. In fact, it was just called the software. It was only when Brendan, one of the team, had the eureka moment of spreading our trading power around the globe with cloud hosting that the name CloudTrader was born. And it's these servers dotted around the globe that make CloudTrader truly unique. This software now has the potential to make a lucky chosen few millions of dollars every year. And you are one of them. Here's how these servers are arranged and how they work. I have 7 of these cloud servers in the US, 2 in Canada, 2 in London, 1 each in Dublin, Eindhoven, Frankfurt, Paris, Madrid, Oslo, Helsinki, 3 in Russia, 2 in Australia, 1 in New Zealand, 4 across South America, and some scattered across Japan, Taiwan, Singapore, and India. The list goes on and on and on. The whole point of these servers is to find you the next big trade. And that's exactly why you can expect to see $1,250 in your checking account tomorrow morning if you enroll with us at the end of this short video. Our databases update consistently every 15 seconds, which means we have all the required data and information to make sure CloudTrader is the most powerful auto trading service on earth. CloudTrader's main algorithm was developed based on repetitive patterns from our financial databases. So what are repetitive patterns? Repetitive patterns are patterns of asset movements which repeat themselves as recorded in our database with at least 93% accuracy. Other factors such as the cloud hosting solution behind our trading servers, superconductor ping speeds, DNS settings and IP addresses mean that we can eliminate the other 7% of doubt. The result is software that trades at super speed, super cautiously, and with a 100% trading win record. It may sound complicated, but trust me, it's not. In fact, the truth is you don't even need to know how it works. You only need to know that it works, because CloudTrader does everything for you. All you need to do each day is turn on your CloudTrader software and click Auto Trade. That's it. You see, your software will open a trade only with assets that present repetitive pattern, and only if it has a probability of 93% or more to be a profitable trade. That means that there are no risks. CloudTrader will place a trade only if it knows it's going to profit. Now, why does it work? CloudTrader works only with long record financial assets, those that are at least 100 years old, like gold, crude oil, and silver. Why? Because long record financial assets provide the most reliable information and the best results. Now let me prove it to you that CloudTrader really works. Here you can see a financial graph of gold on June 14th, 1994, between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. Now, let me show you the exact same asset financial graph on August 1st, 2015, between 4:10 p.m. and 5:20 p.m. According to our CloudTrader algorithm, there's a 97.33% accuracy, which means that the CloudTrader will place a trade automatically. Here's another quick example. Here's the financial graph of oil on March 17th, 1977, between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. Now let me show you the financial graph of oil on August 1st, 2015, between 10:22 a.m. and 10:23 a.m. So, the same process happens here again. This time, CloudTrader finds 94.09% accuracy, which means that it will make this trade and make profits for you. Now you might ask yourself, how often are there repetitive patterns in the financial markets, and how many trades can CloudTrader place each day? So I want to be really clear about this. There are between 400 and 600 repetitive patterns every day, and according to our stats, at least 6.5% of them meeting the criteria of 93% accuracy. That means that CloudTrader will place at least 26 profitable trades every single day, depending on your budget. Now, let's take a look what could happen at worst case scenario and do some simple math. In case you trade only with $10 per trade, your potential profit is $8.50 per trade. That means that if you have only 26 profitable trades a day with a minimum of only $8.50 profit per trade, you're going to make at least $221 a day. Now guess what happens if you trade with only $25? With $25 per trade, your potential profit is $21.25 per trade. If CloudTrader makes you only 26 profitable trades a day with potential profit of $21.25, you're going to make a minimum of $650 a day. But you have to follow the 50-50 rule. You should withdraw 50% of your profits every day, and you need to reinvest the other 50%. This way, you could have the money in your bank and at the same time make more and more money every single day. This is a huge profit potential. And the best part is that CloudTrader does all the hard work for you. All you have to do is watch the profits rolling into your account. And remember, there are no risks. So by now, you know that the CloudTrader is the real deal. But you probably still have some doubts about it. It's okay. It's normal. Everyone is like this at first. You're probably wondering right now, can I really make money with it? What if I am different and I'm not like the others? As I mentioned before, you don't need anything besides a computer or a mobile phone and an internet connection. Actually, here's what you don't need in order to activate CloudTrader and secure your financial future. You don't need to invest large sums of money. You don't need training. You don't need trading experience. You don't need to have formal education. And you don't need to know how the financial markets work. The absolutely great thing for you is that CloudTrader does everything on 100% complete autopilot, so there's no room for human error. That's why it's mathematically impossible for CloudTrader to lose a trade. It cannot happen. It trades, it wins. It truly is that simple. You turn it on in the morning with just one click and it starts auto trading for you. The next day, you receive $1,250 of winning trades into your checking account. The following day, it just repeats and on it goes. There is no other software on the planet that comes even close to our patent-pending CloudTrader software. CloudTrader works in such a way that it has never lost a trade. And now with over 840 fanatical members, CloudTrader is better than ever. Feel safe in the knowledge that the software system you're about to gain full access to is tested, improved, and monitored on an hourly basis by our team of experts. Now pay close attention. Like I said, I want to be 100% honest and transparent with you. You don't need to pay a dime in order to get full access to CloudTrader. Why? Because we really want to help you get started today so that you will receive the first $1,250 in your checking account tomorrow and then every day after that for life. So here's the million-dollar question. Why am I sharing this with you for free? Okay, you see, every time your software makes a winning trade, we make a tiny 1.3% on top of that. So you get your full 100% of your winning trades, and we get 1.3% on top of that. And just for your peace of mind, we only receive our 1.3% after you have been paid. So once our bank confirms that you've received your $1,250 each day, then they release our 1.3%. It truly is win-win for both of us. So if, for example, you make 7 times $1,250 starting from tomorrow for this coming week, that means you will receive the full 7 times $1,250 in payments, which is $8,750 per week. When, and only when, that $8,750 is cleared in your checking account, we receive our 1.3% cut. So our goal is to make you as much money as possible, as soon as possible, starting now. When you grow your profit portfolio, we grow as well. When you make more money, we make more money. The only losers here are the markets. And because this is 100% legal and ethical, I won't lose any sleep over the fact Morgan Stanley or Bank of America are losing out a little bit to our CloudTrader members. We really want to have a long-term relationship with our members in order to grow together. Again, the average member of CloudTrader makes $1,250 paid out profits every single day. Okay, it's decision time. You either give this a try now or you will regret it later, and I guarantee that. You have nothing to lose here. Enter your name and best email in the form next to this video. It's really important you enter this correctly or you will fail to get activated. Enter your details and let's get you started right now.